Warnings for heavy rain and thunderstorms across the UK today, and the outlook remains unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up. But good morning, Britain. Lots of things to take in here. So there's meteorologists like myself who brief pilots every single day, flying all over the world for every single flight that's taken. There's flight corridors, much like we have roads, and if there's extreme weather, they'll take a different route. So this was clear air turbulence. We know that there's huge thunderstorms, huge columns of cloud, and in that there's violently rotating columns of air. Pilots try to avoid those. You can see that turbulence. But this was in clear air. It was in cloudless skies. The air was going up and coming down very rapidly because clear air turbulence can hit at any time.
Just in case it happens. Laura, thanks very much.
To be an aviation forecaster.
Yeah. So I worked at RAF Bryce Norton, which is the airport for the RAF, and it flies troops and cargoes all over the world, yeah.
Huge responsibility then, as we've just seen, to forecast.
As well as that, any severe weather en route.
And
yes, they are.
how quickly, 10 years ago, say?
I mean, I don't have that exact fact, but we know that with a warmer atmosphere and this bigger wind shear, it's that wind shear at the higher levels where people are flying, particularly in these parts of the world where you fly much higher because the atmosphere is higher, then that's where it's increasing, in and around areas where the jet stream is.
OK.
Just issued an amber rainfall for heavy rainfall today. And it's the jet stream that drives our weather systems. And we know that for every 1 degree of warming, the atmosphere holds 7% more moisture. And our winters are continuing to get wetter. And this winter, we know that the rainfall we've experienced is 20% heavier because of climate change. But right now, we have warnings across most of the UK for heavy rain. But the Met Office have just issued an amber for North West England and North Wales for heavy thunderstorms later on today. So this is the very latest satellite and radar. Cloud for many, but heavy rain for central areas of England and Wales. And this whole band of rain will move its way northwards as we head through the day. So a lot of rain falling onto the roads means a lot of spray on the roads, but a lot of rain in a short space of time means the risk of localised flooding. Embedded within that, we have thunderstorms, heaviest for northwest England and Wales. Southern areas of England, more hit and miss sunny spells and scattered showers. But temperature-wise today, way down on where we've been over recent days because of the lack of sunshine. We're looking at 14, 15 degrees under the cloud, maybe 18 or 19 with sunny spells where we're between those showers.
Climate change, so turbulence when you...
Good morning to you. We have a wet day of weather ahead, and actually the weather so far this winter and autumn has been so wet. And a report out from the Met Office today shows us how much rainfall we've had. Nearly every single month since October has seen above average rainfall. The yellow is how much we would normally get. The red shows how much above average it's been, and these maps show where we've had anything above normal. So any of the blue maps for our winter season shows where it's been way above average, particularly for southern areas for England and Wales. And a report out today says that climate change made this rainfall 20% heavier because of the warmer world that we're in, and we're set to see more wet weather as we head through actually the next few days. So this is how things are looking for us. Multiple weather warnings in force from the Met Office have just been issued, yellow across most of the country, but an amber has been issued across the northwest of England and North Wales for torrential thunderstorms as we head through the day. So for every 1 degree of warming we have in our atmosphere, it holds 7% more moisture. So in the warmer world we're getting, every time it rains, it's already wetter because of climate change. So today the rain is heavy through England and Wales, and it moves its way northwards. So everybody likely to see wet weather today. The lion's share of the country, the central zone, will be cloudy with heavy rain. Northern and western areas and southern areas, it's sunny spells and scattered showers. And these showers will be heavy, they'll be thundery, a lot of spray on the roads, and with intense amounts of rain in a really short space of time, that brings the risk of some localised flooding. And you'll notice how much cooler it is today, 14 or 15 degrees under these cloudy grey skies, maybe just an 18 or 19 where we have some of that sunshine. So how do things change as we head through the next 7 days? Well, let's take a look at our outlook. Yes, the weather turned for many of us yesterday. It seems easy to forget. Just a few days ago, it was very warm and sunny for many of us. If you don't like the rain, I'm not the bearer of the best news, because we actually have warnings across the lion's share of the country for heavy rainfall today. The radar shows where the rain is at the moment, but in the coming hours, it will move its way northwards. So most areas under this band of rain have a yellow rainfall warning from the Met Office, but North Wales and North West England have an amber warning for embedded thunderstorms, which could cause the risk of some localised flooding. A lot of rain in a short space of time. So much cooler today with this heavy rain and these grey skies, windy through eastern areas as well. Some sunny spells for the northwest and across the far south, where the story continues to be showers, some of them heavy and thundery, and feeling much cooler than the last few days.